Hello, plant lovers. Welcome back to Green Haven Grows, where we nurture our love for all things green, and today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: 8 houseplants that can live for up to 100 years. Imagine having a green companion that grows old with you. Let's explore these green legends. Before we unveil our timeless green friends, let's talk about the magic of having houseplants that can endure for decades. These plants not only become a part of your home but also witness the passage of time with you. Now, let's meet these resilient beauties. Kicking off our list is the ever-so-versatile aloe vera. Not only does it bring healing properties, but it's a succulent that stands the test of time, thriving for up to a century. Next up, the jade plant, often called the money plant. With its sturdy leaves and symbolic significance, it's a resilient houseplant that can be passed down through generations. Meet the spider plant, a classic favorite known for its air-purifying qualities. This adaptable green companion can be a loyal resident in your home for a lifetime. The snake plant, also known as the mother-in-law's tongue, is a hardy and low-maintenance choice. Its upright leaves endure the years, making it a perfect long-term companion. Adding a touch of grandeur to our list is the rubber plant. With its large, glossy leaves, it not only elevates your indoor space but also stands as a symbol of endurance. The yucca, with its striking sword-like leaves, is a tough houseplant that can withstand varying conditions. A true survivor that can grace your home for generations. For those who love a statement piece, the fiddle leaf fig is here to stay. With its large, iconic leaves, it's a stunning addition that grows alongside your memories. Last but certainly not least, the elegant peace lily. Known for its graceful white blooms, this houseplant adds a touch of serenity that can last for a century. And there you have it, folks, 8 houseplants that can live for up to 100 years. Which one resonates with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more green inspiration. Until next time, urging you to plant the seeds for a greener future. Happy planting!